So here we are, the first look at the writing guide for the IELTS academic module, brought to you by IELTS Breakthrough. And I've just had everything completed, so I thought I'd make this little video to show you exactly what this writing guide can offer you. So just to explain, of course you can download this book at www.ieltsbreakthroughwriting.com, and you can get the PDF of this exact same book that I'm showing you here in the video. Obviously I've printed this out just so that you can get a feel of what is inside the book and how this writing guide will definitely help you to increase your score in IELTS. So let's just open it up and I'll show you the contents page. And there are four main sections to the book. We're going to start off with the writing task 1, and in this first section it tells you all about how to answer accurately, how to do a really good answer for your task 1. We look at some of the grammar, we look at the vocabulary, we look at the key structures that you will need. Everything is covered here. We look at tables, pie charts, maps, everything that you need to know and everything that you must deliver when you write your task 1. It's all there in section 1. And then, of course, section 2, we go on to the task 2 answer and how to write a really good task 2. And we look at things like brainstorming, how to structure your answer, how to organize the paragraphs. We look at a model answer and I walk you through that model answer so you can see exactly how to write that task 2. There's even brainstorming sessions where we go through and we look at exactly how to brainstorm your ideas for the essay part of the academic module. Now, the other two sections, and hopefully you can read this on the video, I've called them skills development for task 1 and for task 2. Now, actually, there's only 3 parts, but this is quite a big part of the book. What you'll get is you'll get lots and lots of sample questions. In fact, task 1, I have 23 sample questions for you. And these sample questions come with practice exercises, so you can practice exactly how to produce these answers. And of course, there are also sample answers that you can model and learn from and apply in your own writing. And then section 4 is the same thing with the task 2 essays, but there's even more essays. For task 2, I've given you 36 sample questions with practice exercises and model answers that you can use. Now, these 36 questions, they cover a wide range of topics as well, so you get some idea about how to handle some of the topics that might come up in IELTS. So this book is a wonderful resource and guaranteed to really help you to improve your writing score. I've spent lots of money to make sure that it has been presented and packaged beautifully for you. Let's just open a few pages so you can see. And here we are talking about the task 1. As you can see, there are key points that are highlighted with sample structures put in boxes and useful language clearly identified for you. So it's easy to read and you can study through it at your own pace. And this is just going through some pages of the task 1 and preparation for task 2 here. And here, this is an example of a sample question for task 1, a line graph, and all sorts of things. So we have, as you can see, there are so many different kind of questions. There are pages for notes. Here are your task 2 essay questions. And if I turn the page, yeah, so they all have there. If I go to the sample. There you can see the sample answer, the model answer keys for you. So this whole thing, there's 250 odd pages of vital, really important information, and you can download this IELTS guide. It can be yours in a second. Just go to www.ieltsbreakthroughwriting.com.